Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the ODIKA Zen Garden Area Rug. This is the 5x7. This is the black color, so it's black and white. Essentially, the black is more, of course, for this design here. So they have other colors that you can choose from. It's very nice. I like it. It's very soft, and then you can move the little lines around a little bit with your hand. It's pretty thick, as you can see. This is what it looks like on the bottom. Put it up there. So, and as you can see, it looks like that on the floor. So I really like it. I think it's great if you do it with something that matches your floor. So in my case, I have white tile and a black sofa. So it matched pretty nicely. And then we kind of just slid it under the sofa there. So I think it looks really, really nice. I like the design, simple, and it has that Zen garden type of feel, like the Japanese Zen garden with, where you use the brush and you're kind of, well, like the little rake, you kind of rake, the sand. So something like that. So it looks cool, modern. So definitely check it out and hope you enjoy it. Hope it matches your home and gives it a nice little extra touch. And take care.